Hey, welcome back to another Saturday Shorts episode. Today's question is, does it matter what computer I use to build and run my business? Now, this could, I think, turn into an Apple fanboy conversation for John and I, because we love Apple. But John, what did you use? What computer were you using when you built your first business?
Yeah, absolutely. I was using a Dell XPS. I think it was maybe like a 15-inch sort of laptop, right? You know, so I mean, probably at the time. So this was back in 2014. I think I bought it. 2013. No, maybe I bought it in 2013. And yeah, look, I mean, at the time, probably not terrible, but definitely not what you would class as a fantastic computer.
Yeah, same here. Might have to back up off screen here, but 11-inch Chromebook. It's the best I could do. I didn't have any money. I just wanted to be able to use the internet. And so I got this Chromebook. You can't download anything. Like, I had to use web apps, which there wasn't a lot to choose from back in 2015, honestly, like not what's available today. So 11-inch screen, the colors suck, now that we have like Retina and stuff like that, like it sucked. But you can, the point of this is like, you can do this on any computer, literally any computer. Maybe not on a tablet, but who knows? Like, tablets nowadays are pretty wild. Like, you can have a keyboard and you can have a mouse. You can pretty much do everything on a tablet that you can do on a computer. So I don't think there's any system that you have that could, like, I think if I plugged this thing in, that it would still be fine for what you need to do in building your business. Like, do you see any reason people might have something that wouldn't work, John?
No, I don't. Like, I mean, the reality is most of what you're going to be doing, building your business, is going to be online, right? So you don't need tons of processing power or, heaps of this and that and something really fancy. You absolutely don't. And certainly I think, it's kind of one of those questions that I think some people use to just make another reason why they don't get started. Do you know what I mean? Like, oh, my thing's not good enough and this and that. It's not true. Like, these days, if you've got something you bought in the last 10 years, it'll work. Do you know what I mean? I think you just got to be able to get online. So probably what's more important than, or what's more frustrating than the actual hardware you use is having a crappy internet connection, I think. That's the worst, actually.
Yeah. I didn't have great when I started that either. I think we had like 20 up and down in my little town. It wasn't great, but like, it did the job. And like, even this Chromebook, there's no memory, right? And so when I'm uploading suppliers, I had to like pull down 3 images and put it up and then delete those 3 images because like you just don't get any memory on the Chromebook. So I think you could go to your local library 1 hour a day and build this business. I truly believe that. I don't think it matters what computer you have, although I will say you should get an Apple product. That's what I think.
Look, dude, I got to agree. I use only Apple.